Okay, this lesson is for lesson 66, similar and congruent figures. So two things that you need to know with this lesson are congruent and similar. Now, congruent means that they are having the same size and shape. So it's two figures that have the exact same size and shape. That is congruent. Now, similar is having the same shape, but not necessarily having the same size. So if I drew some triangles here, okay. Okay, so let's say I have those 4 triangles. Which two out of these 4 are congruent? Meaning they have the same size and the same shape. That would be this one and this one, right? Congruent, same size and shape. Now, which one of these are similar? Well, all 4 of them are similar because they have the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. So do you see how it's similar and congruent? Okay, so looking at the next page, page 310, example. Which of those rectangles are similar? Which of them are congruent? So if you look at A is a little bit like this, okay? A, B is like this, C is like that, and D is like that, okay? So which of these rectangles are similar? Well, B, C, and D, sorry, so it's kind of a little bit smaller, but B, C, and D on that example are similar. Rectangle A is actually, it's a little bit longer, so it's not really, it wouldn't be the same, it wouldn't be similar as B, C, and D. Now, which of the rectangles are congruent? Which of them have the same size and the shape? So it would be B and D, right? Those two are congruent because they have the same size and shape. Okay, now what you're going to do is press pause and do the lesson practice, and then press play to see if you got them correct. All right, pause. Okay, play. Just obviously you did play. All right, lesson practice. Refer to the figures below to answer problems A and B. Which of these triangles are similar? So which one of those 4, A, B, C, and D? Well, if you look, A, C, and D are all they're all similar, right? They're all kind of the same shape. They're not necessarily the same size. So triangles A, C, and D are all similar. Now, which of those are congruent, meaning having the same shape and the same size? Would be triangles A and C. A and C. Okay, all right. You may now start your, actually, you know what? Let's do number 28 of your mixed practice. So press pause, do number 28, and then press play. Pause. All right, here we go. Number 28 says, which 2 triangles are similar? Now, similar meaning, they have the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. If you chose A and C, you are correct. A and C are similar, but they're not the same size, but they're similar. All right, and that is the lesson. That is lesson 66. All right.